Welcome to another edition of News Bites here on Daily World Television. My name is Kal Korff and I'm your host. An Egyptian court has overturned the previous decision to award a couple of islands to the country of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, like its regional rival Iran, is engaged in regional hegemony. And while part of Iran's machinations include propping up the dictators of other countries, such as Bashar Assad in Syria, Saudi Arabia has looked to grabbing new territory peacefully as a method of extending its geographical footprint. What it had arranged with Egypt a few years ago was to acquire a couple of islands which were nominally disputed. Egypt had originally agreed to giving the Saudis those islands in exchange for a lot of oil and other economic concessions, but now an Egyptian court has overturned that decision and will not allow it to happen. Now there will be a showdown between Egypt's elected dictator, General al-Sisi, versus the court. Will he be able to claim authority over the court and declare this issue to be of national security importance, or will he have to abide by the court and maybe even use the court's decision ruling against this transfer as political cover to say, look, I would love to help you, Saudi Arabia, but I can't because the courts have tied my hands and Egypt is a country which follows the rule of law, the usual excuses that are trolled out in a dictatorship like Egypt when it is convenient to do so. We will continue to follow this story as it develops. Obviously, there will be a formal reaction soon from the Saudis, and we'll report it to you as soon as more information is known.